we're going to take a look at quizzes, the little mini quizzes. Basically, after a student has taken the, maybe they took the pre-assessment in the fall, and then you want to give them a few quizzes after you've worked with them, or maybe they reviewed the remedial videos, and you want to see how they're progressing before you give them that winter test. So mini quizzes is an option. It is not possible for you to assign the mini quizzes other than saying to your students, okay, now I'd like you to access quiz number 2 and go ahead and take it. You can't do anything in the system to make that happen. So the students could really just go in and take all the quizzes. So you need to kind of prep them and, save those until I assign them, or however it is that you want to do that. So the way you're going to be able to get to the results, your student results, is you're going to go to Groups and View All. And then once you're in Groups, View All, you're going to choose one of your groups. I'm going to choose this first period. And then after that, you're going to click on the Assessment tab. And this particular class has 10th and 11th grade students in it, so you can see that it separates them out. Over here we have reports where you can click on mini quiz answers. This is going to give you a item analysis for each of the quizzes. So if we want to look at, over here we can filter it. Where did they answer 100% of them correct? You can change it. And where did they answer 50% of them answer it correctly, which that doesn't really go with that. So you have a few filter options here. You can choose a different quiz, and then update, and that'll show you a second quiz. So you have some filter options here that you can use. If you go back, it is possible once you're under assessments again, you can look at the mini quiz completion, and that will help you be able to, let's see here, that will give you which of your students have completed. So mini quiz completion is where you're able to review each of the mini quizzes that your students have taken. Now, in terms of, click on one of these here, and we can see here's this particular student hasn't completed any of the mini quizzes, so I didn't choose the best student to there. This is a demo site, so I'm not sure exactly what I have access to here, but according to Brooke, this is where you'll be able to find details on how your student performed on each of those individual quizzes. So, hope that helps. To recap, you're going to go to Groups, View All. You're going to choose a group. Once you have chosen the group, you're going to choose Assessment. And then we have these over here. Mini Quiz Answers gives you the item analysis. Along with, if you push play, you can get the video to pop up for that particular quiz question. And if you choose the assessments and then the mini quiz completion, then that should give you a list of students who have, and the mini quizzes that they have completed.